is up, you wonderful people from the world, and today I'm going to do a fidget spinner video. And if you haven't looked all over the internet, there are loads of them. There's loads of weird ones. Yeah, I'm probably going to get some. So first I'm going to do an original trick. You spin it. Then you slowly move your fingers away. Then you balance on your thumb. Then to make it harder, you wiggle your thumb. And then you can spin it on the table, which is really, really cool. It's different than usual. And we're going to see how long it spins for. Well, you guys can have a timer. 3, 2, 1, get your timers ready. It's going to take a while. Let's slow down time. Guys, let's not do that yet. And look, I can make it sound like a helicopter. So you go like that as fast as you can, like, and then do it slower. Like, sounds like a helicopter. It's just weird. And mine on screen. Fidget spinners are really cheap. If you haven't got one already, I really recommend them. If you can't concentrate on things, concentrate on these. And I'll probably do. And by the way, I'm going to be recording every Saturday if I can, because I've been recording like a month, maybe 2. And yeah, it's nice getting back to the YouTube stuff. Yeah.